3, 2, 1, it's game time!
Hey, what's up guys, it is Technology Help back here. Welcome back to another video, and in my today's video we are here with the RedGear Manta 4.1 gaming combo, which we are going to unbox and have a short review how the product is, and at last we'll see whether it is worth spending 2500 rupees on this, or you can get something better than this at this price range. So the packaging is really simple. I'm glad to see that Amazon delivered it without a single scratch or a crisp on the package. Happy to see that. Inside the package you straight away find your headphone. The packaging is really good. As you can see, everything is kept in thermocol wraps so that it does not get any sort of scratch during the shipping. The MouseMat seems quite premium. Then you have your mouse in this small packet, which includes some other peripherals as well. And at last you have your keyboard inside it. So let's just take off the box packaging and then just move on with our keyboard. The packaging of keyboard is really simple, the foam wrapping around it. Once you take it off, you will see that this keyboard and the one which I am currently using with my system are same. Yes, that's true, both of these are the same keyboards, the RedGear BLAZZ Tournament Edition. Both of these are the membrane based keyboards, but still they give you the performance somewhat similar to a mechanical keyboard. It has a membrane based base and a plastic keycaps, no spring, no switches. But when you will type, you will get the actual feel of using a mechanical one. It comes with a 2-meter long braided USB cable, so it is quite durable and safe in case you are going to bend it too much. It is strong enough to take it over. And then you are going to get RGB backlit keys all over the keyboard. Moving over to the second item, which is my favorite, the headphone. You are getting a 4.1 virtual surround headphone, which is actually good in this price segment. As you can see, it has a big wire and 3 interface connectors, a good head strap and comfortable sponge pads. This is quite stretchable and a big one, so in case your head is quite big, as I don't fit the basic headphones, so this is a good choice. It does come with an integrated microphone which is quite close to the ear cup, so it's not visible as if it has any. A good design, like I have seen for the first time a small microphone. Moving over to our third item, which is the gaming mouse. It has been secured in the small box so that it does not get affected by the outer conditions. It does look a bit premium with a black and golden color look with a 3-meter long USB braided cable. The cable is actually long, and this mouse comes with 2 dedicated buttons for increasing and decreasing the DPI and 2 buttons for your secondary fire. I expected a 7-button mouse, but a 6 key is not a bad choice. With the mouse you are going to get a small RedGear sticker from the company itself, a small DVD where you have the drivers for the mouse in order to control and customize the keys, and a quick start guide. There's nothing much to say about the MouseMat, but I can just say that it is a speed type MouseMat and quite larger and a bit thicker than the one which I have been using since the last few months. I don't need to test the keyboard to comment how it works, as I have been using this one since several months, and it is a good one. It has 3 RGB modes with one breathing mode where you can just hold the FN with the light button and it will just keep cycling through the 3 colors. It sounds actually like a mechanical blue switch keyboard, and it has lots of macro functions which you can activate using the FN and your F buttons. With that, you have lots of shortcuts present inside the keyboard itself, and it does make it really good. The build quality is damn good and a durable one. While typing, it sounds like this. Moving on to the mouse, the build quality is really good. It comes with a metallic base and is a bit heavy as compared to the other mouses that I have used, which gives it a premium feel. The upper layer is made out of carbon fiber, which gives you a soft touch and a velvet effect, and there are extra buttons which are obviously there in all gaming mouses. And at the same time you are going to get 2 DPI buttons, I mean one for increasing the DPI and the other for reducing it, which is actually good according to me. And you also get the driver software with it, through which you can just control the lights, effects, options, the click speed, the scroll speed, the DPI and all such settings for the mouse. But at the same time, I will not recommend you to go with this mouse because the IPS rating is really low. In case you are a first person shooter gamer, you will definitely notice that your mouse often gets stuck if you are playing on a low DPI and you try to go for a flick. In case you are one of them, then please don't go with this combo because this mouse really sucks at low DPI trying for flicks. Moving on to our headphones, I really loved this one. I mean, it is the big one that I wanted since a long time. It has a dual strap support. I mean, one is the actual size while the other one is a stretchable one which adjusts according to the size of your head. It is quite stretchable, a soft set of ear cuffs which will never make you feel as if your ears are facing any sort of pain, and it does come with an RGB interface on both the sides. It does have a breathing effect and a small microphone. Though the microphone cannot be used for streaming or recording sessions, but as far you are going to use it for playing games and chatting with your friends on Discord, it is absolutely fine. The interface connection is a USB which is used for powering up the lights, and two dedicated 3.5mm cables for the microphone and the speaker respectively, with a 3-meter long braided cable which is really long and a strong one. As you heard just now, I was playing a song through the headphone which was recorded through the camera's mic. The headphone is really loud, and it comes with a small volume adjuster on the left side of the ear cup. And at last, we have our RedGear Speed Type MouseMat. It does have a spongy feel. I don't know why, because I have tried out several MouseMats, none of them was this sort of spongy, but it does feel good. The mouse goes over it really smooth, and I've never faced any issue like missing off the tracking speed from the mouse. I have been using it from about 4 to 5 days and it is working really good. So that's all about the unboxing and review of this product. If you want to buy this, follow the link in description and just head over to Amazon or Flipkart, whichever you are comfortable with, and just straight away place your order. Right now the sale is going on, so you will be getting it for around 2500 rupees, and usually the price goes around 2700 to 2800. The quality is really good, and if you are an entry level gamer or you are thinking to buy your first kit for your gaming accessories, then do consider this one, as it offers features for the price that you are paying. So that's all for this video. Hope you found this interesting. If so, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe as we keep coming up with such videos every week. Thanks for watching.